The next option is section zoom. And what does it do? I create a simple PowerPoint file, and in this way I made 10 slides and I put them in different 5 sections, 2 by 2. The section zoom put the other sections in the section that you are selected. For example, now I'm in section number 4 and the first slide of it. And now I want to add section 1 and 2 in section 4. In the slide of section 4, I click and from insert zoom, I select the section zoom. What is it showing me now? Now the first slide of its sections are presenting for me in a way that they are representative for that sections. I select section 1 and 2 and I click on insert, and now the section 1 and 2 that I selected were added into the slide. That now it became in this way. If I have a simple click, it will show the next slide of that section. But if I want to link this to other section, I can click on the related section by this. It will go to that section and show the slides of it, and then it will back to that slide again. Because we have activated the return option, and if we click on the second part, it enters to section 2 and show the slides of it, and then it will back to that slide again. And when I enter, we will have the comment procedure in showing the slides. And now if we select the zoom again, the format tab will open for that, and the options that are in the format section like zoom styles, zoom border or zoom effect are the options that we talked about them a lot. Actually, by choosing the zoom border option or zoom effect, you can give effect to the slide and beautify it, and other options that are here I have already told you. But there is an important option, I mean the return to zoom option that I have explained it. And the next section is zoom transition, that if you want to zoom with the transition, you can activate this option. And in the duration section, you can increase or decrease the duration of the zoom transition. The interesting part is change image section that give access to you to select the pictures to the previews of the zooms that you put them here, a cover picture. I click on the change image. You can select a picture from your computer, or you can also use icons or online images and put it as a preview for that slide. The other point that I should mention in the zoom and section zoom section is that if your presentation file is not categorized into the sections, this option will be inactive. Let me delete all the sections by right-click on one section and selecting remove all sections, and by this all sections will be deleted. Now in this insert tab, when I go to the zoom section, as you see section zoom is inactive now. So you should put your presentation file into different sections in order to be able to use the section zoom option. It is not in a way it puts the slides in different sections like the summary zoom. Based on the number of your slides, you should put the slides in different sections for sure to have the access to the section zoom.